You know, we've all been hit with a tsunami of change over the last months. The change is sweeping us along, and I think that we are all faced with three choices as people and as organizations. And how we respond to those choices is going to determine our future. Choice one is to try to fight against the change and ask, how can we get back to normal? Choice two is to sort of drift with the change and hope for the best and ask questions like, what do we do now to survive? And option three, or choice three, is to ask ourselves, what are we going to do to thrive? The world has changed. So what does that mean for us now? What are our strengths and what's the future that we imagine and how are we going to get to that future? I think we have to ask choice three questions. I know that here at Achieve, we've sometimes been tempted to ask choice one and choice two questions. You know, how do we get back to the past or how do we survive? But really, we need to be focused on the future we want for ourselves. And so that's my hope for you and for us, is that we continue to ask those choice three questions about the future that we imagine at the end of this pandemic.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.